Hello, it's Miss Esther, ready to teach you about a queen. This is Q, the queen. Q, the queen bee quilts. And as she quilts, you can do this action by holding a pretend quilt in your hand. And as the needle goes in and out of the quilt, you're going to go qua, qua, qua. If that's a hard sound, you can think of the K going k and the W, wa, kwa, kwa. And then after you get good at it, then you can make this sound like I showed you in your quilt. Kwa, kwa. Let's do it with this song. Here we go.
Q's a kindest things. I need Quilt so I can make my quilt. Is the quivering sound she makes as she quilts. Q's a quilty quilts. And quilts and quilts
I love to act like a queen. Maybe you can do that today. In the Amazing Action Alphabet Activity book, here is a quilt. You can color the big Q's red and the purple Q's purple, or the small Q's purple, or you can do a pattern like I've done. After that's done, then you can put it on a piece of paper that has some punch marks on it. So here is my needle, and you want to put some masking tape on it so it's easier to quilt with, and you make that sound. Qua. Now we're just like Q the queen bee, quilting. Now at this stage, you have learned a lot of letters and sounds, so don't forget to do rhyming. So listen for the ending sound like rose and nose, rhyme. Another thing I like to do at this stage is if you are using my Amazing Action Alphabet Beginning Reader book, you are on the last lesson. So you're reading words that start with a qu sound. You've mastered a lot of sight words, and now you're ready to read the last story. One horse ran up a hill, two kangaroos hop in the sun. Now this is so exciting because you have mastered every constant vowel consonant word. You have mastered every letter and every sound, all your vowels. So this is kind of a day to celebrate. So I like to celebrate by seeing what you've remembered. So here's my queen and here's my king. And you can pass off all the numbers that we've learned thus far and all the letters of the alphabet we've learned thus far. Or if you can pass off your phone number, your address, and your shapes, and you pass off your reading book, then you can get a queen picture that you can color or a king picture that you can color to celebrate all your hard work and effort. When you review these letters, it's fun to review your letters with a very queenish or kingish proper voice. So that might sound something like this. W, 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 w. Y, ya, ya, ya. V, v. X, 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 x. Z, z, z. And Q, qua, qua, qua. Those are fun ways to review every time before learning a new letter or just remembering all that you've learned thus far. So these ideas and more can be found on the website seeheardocompany.com.